Hello, welcome to your mini lesson for today. I'm really excited to share this lesson with you because through this lesson, this writing lesson, I'm going to be able to learn more about what thoughts are inside your head, what thoughts get you excited, what voice is waiting in your heart for you to share with myself and with others and your friends. So before we begin this lesson, I want you to think of something that gets you really excited. Something like, say, your favorite movie. Let's do your favorite movie. Is there a movie that really gets you excited and you want everybody to see? So take a moment, think of what that movie could be. Okay, got it? Great, now hold on to that thought. Think of that movie, what you like in that movie, and get ready to share your voice with the world. So for our lesson today, we are going to learn how to use voice in your writing. So when we talk about voice in writing, we normally refer to like our emotions, our feelings, what do we think about a topic, and it sounds like you. When you read your writing, it should sound like you. So I asked you to think of your favorite movie. For myself, one of my favorite movies is The Greatest Showman. So now I'm going to tell you about this movie, The Greatest Showman, that I really like. I think you should watch it. It's a beautiful movie. And here we go. Okay? The Greatest Showman is a good movie. The colors are pretty. I like the circus. Barnum is cool. Did that sound like I was really excited, or did it sound more like I was a robot? No, it should sound like a human. What's really cool about voice in writing is that only humans can do it. Only humans have thoughts and feelings, these emotions of love and sadness and excitement that they can share in their writing. So how do you put voice in your writing? Well, let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so here are the words that I used to describe my favorite movie, The Greatest Showman, right here. The Greatest Showman is a good movie. The colors are pretty. I like the circus. Barnum is cool. So one way that we can use voice in our writing is to use really spectacular words. So your thoughts and feelings are special. Therefore, you should use special words to describe your thoughts and feelings in your writing. So, for example, instead of saying The Greatest Showman is a good movie, you could say The Greatest Showman is a spectacular movie. Instead of saying something real simple like the colors are pretty, you could use greater words to even almost like tell a story. The vivid colors sweep you into the story. Pretty is a word that we use and hear a lot of times, therefore it doesn't really excite us anymore. It's a very commonplace word. But when we hear like sweep into the story, that's something that catches my ear. That's something I want to learn more about. How about this sentence? I like the circus. Why do you like the circus? I love the friendships formed in the circus. So sometimes by explaining why we like something can give voice to our paper. Barnum is cool. Cool is also a very commonplace word. Why is Barnum cool? We can say Barnum is the king of showmanship. So you can use voice by using special words and by explaining why you feel a certain way about a topic. Another great way to use voice in your writing is through punctuation. Punctuation shows excitement, sadness, curiosity. For example, you can use a exclamation point to show you are excited. Another punctuation you can use is a question mark to show that you are curious. And how about this one? Say you want someone to feel real mysterious when you are writing. You want them to wonder what's coming next. You can just use a couple of periods, dot, 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 right here. For example, in the classic sentence, you could start, it was a dark and stormy night, dot, dot, dot. And it makes you wonder what's going to happen next on this dark and stormy night. Now, sometimes the hardest part about writing is figuring out what to write about. So if you want to use voice, a lot of times the easier way is to start with something that makes you excited. So one thing you can do is create an I heart chart. So here is your heart on a piece of paper. And in this heart, you would write things that make you excited, things that are really close to your heart. That's why they go inside the heart. So, for example, I really like ice cream, especially chocolate ice cream, so I put that in my heart. I really enjoy snow and snow days. I love going on adventures or reading books about adventures. And I love talking about my family. So, if I'm really having trouble finding something to write about, something that I really care about, I can really use lots of voice in. I can come back to my iHeart chart right here and find a topic that I really care about and use my voice, so the punctuation and special words, to tell people about the ice cream, the adventures, the snow, the family that I really enjoy. Now I would like you to watch a story that has lots of voice in it. This is the true story of the Three Little Pigs by A. Wolf, as told to John Shiska. As you watch this story, I want you to pay attention to the spectacular words the wolf uses to explain his thoughts and emotions. What words does he use? Does his voice sound mad, sad, excited? Does his voice change depending who he's talking to? Let's go ahead and get started.
Everybody knows the story. Or at least they think they do. But I'll let you know a little secret. Nobody knows the real story. Because nobody ever heard my side of the story. I'm the wolf. Alexander Tivo. You can call me that. I don't know how this big bad wolf thing got started, but it's all wrong. Maybe it's because of a diet. Hey, it's not my fault wolves eat cute little animals like bunnies and sheep and pigs. It's just the way we are. Cheeseburgers were cute. Folks probably think we were big and bad too. But like I was saying, the whole big bad wolf thing is all wrong. The real story is about a sneeze, a cup of sugar. This is the real story. Way back in once upon a time, I was making a birthday for my dear old granny, and I had this terrible sneezy cold, and then I ran out of sugar. So I walked down the street to ask my neighbor for a cup of sugar. Now this neighbor was a pig, and he wasn't too bright neither. He had his whole house built out of straw. Can you believe it? I mean, whose right mind builds a house out of straw? So of course, the minute I knocked on the door, it fell right in. I didn't just want to walk right into someone else's house, so I called out. Hello? Little pig? Little pig? Are you in? Are you in here? No answer. I was just about to go home without a cup of sugar for my dear old granny's birthday cake. And that's when my nose started to itch. I felt a sneeze coming on. I huffed. I snuffed. And I sneezed a great sneeze. You know what? That old darn house fell down. And right in the middle of that pile of straw was a first little pig, dead as a doornail. Been home the whole time. It seemed like a shame to leave a perfectly good ham dinner just, lying there in the straw. So I ate it up. I ate the pig. I think it was like a big cheeseburger just lying there. I was feeling a little better, but I still didn't have my cup of sugar. So I went to the next neighbor's house. Now this neighbor was the first little pig's brother. He was a little smart, but not much. He had a house built of sticks. I rang the bell to stick house. Nobody answered. And then I called. Hey, Mr. Pig! Mr. Pig, are you in? Then he yelled back.
Go away, Wolf. You can't come in. I'll shave the hairs on my chinny chin chin.
I just grabbed the doorknob when I felt another sneeze coming on. I huffed. I snuffed. I tried to cover my mouth this time, but I sneezed a great sneeze. You're not gonna believe it, but this guy's house fell down just like his brother's. And when the dust cleared, there was a second little pig dead as a doornail. Wolf's on it. Now, food will spoil. You can just leave it out in the open. So I did the only thing that was left to do. I had dinner again. Think of it as like a second helping. I was getting awfully full. My cold was feeling a little better. And I still didn't have my cup of sugar for my dear old granny's birthday cake. So I went to the next house. This guy was the first and second pig's brother. brains in the family. He had built his house out of bricks. I knocked on the brick house. No answer. So I called. Mr. Pig. Hey, Mr. Pig, are you in? You know what that rude little porgus said to me?
Get out of here, Moo. Don't bother me again.
Talk about impolite. He probably had a whole sack full of sugar in there. And he wouldn't even give me one little cup of my dear sweet granny's birthday cake. What a pig. I was just about to go home and maybe make a nice birthday card instead of a cake when I felt my cold coming on. Huffed, and I snuffed, and I sneezed once again. And then the third little pig yelled,
And your old granny can sit on a pin.
now I'm usually a pretty calm fellow. When somebody talks about my granny like that, I go a little crazy. The cops drove up, of course. I was trying to break down the pig's door. The whole time I was huffing and puffing and sneezing, making a real scene. The rest, as they say, is history. The news reporters found out about the two pigs I had. I figured a sick guy going to borrow a cup of sugar didn't sound very exciting. Oh, they jazz the story up with all that puff and blow your house down. And they made me the big bad wolf. That's it. That's the real story. I was framed. But, you could, loan me a cup of sugar.
All right, so now it's your turn. First off, I want you to record yourself telling me about your favorite movie using our app, Flipgrid. I want you to tell me, why is it your favorite movie? What makes you excited about it? I want you to hear the excitement in your voice. And so when you go to write, I want you to use the words that will show excitement in your writing, as you can hear in your voice. So now I want you to write 5 sentences. Again, what is your favorite movie? Why is it your favorite movie? Why should I watch it? If you are excited about something, you want to share it with others. So why would you like me to watch it? So remember, as you are writing your sentences, use special words because your thoughts and feelings are special. Use punctuation to show excitement, curiosity, maybe even mystery. And remember, share your voice with the world. All right, so remember, as a second grader, you are learning to become a super storyteller. We often tell stories about things that fascinate us. So, in your 5 sentences, I want you to especially focus on your thoughts and feelings about your favorite movie. And then we will take your voice in your writing, and use it in another lesson to write a narrative or a story about you and your friend going to see your favorite movie. And that wraps up our mini lesson for today. So remember, as you write your 5 sentences, I am your audience, so make me excited about your movie. You are excited, share your excitement with me. Convince me that this is the best movie in the world and that we should maybe even watch it in class. Try to get me to let you watch it in class. So make me excited because you're excited. All right? So good luck as you write your 5 sentences. Remember, you are a super storyteller, and do not ever be afraid to share your voice with the world. God bless you, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.